Hi, today we're going to talk about the UDL Blended Reflection. The book that I chose was my week 1, my writing assignment, and then my more week 3. For my week 1 was for the most memorable teachers that we had that influenced us, and then my week 3 was why teach if it's more than just a job. I feel that these two, basically the whole course, it has the same content. However, I feel like these two go hand by hand. And, for my writing assignment over here, I talk about, my most memorable teachers were Miss Brun, which was my Spanish teacher, and Mr. Kellogg, which was my English teacher. They were the role models for me. I mean, these two people, basically adopted me as their child, and I don't have no idea why, but they would scold me when I did something wrong. They would question everything that I did wrong and make sure that I do everything correct, which made me feel good, feel protected in the school. I feel like that maybe that's why they did it, but they didn't even know each other. They didn't even know they did this. So go back to this. So I would say that Miss Bruns had more of an effect on me because she was my Spanish teacher and my subject is Spanish. I feel like because of the way that she showed her passion and, taught the class, that really rubbed on me. Like, I loved how she showed this passion towards kids and passion towards, the class and her subject. And even, she was always worried about her students, why, if they were understanding it, if, she always had these different methods of teaching. And I feel like that one was the one that really gave impact on me. And, she was my first role and be like, dang, I want to be like her. And that's why, and that's what I want to do for my students. I want my students to see me and be like, wow, she's really passionate. She's really this. And I want to show my passion to them so they can create their own passion. It would be awesome towards my subject, but if not, they can have a passion. They can see that passion with their subject, with their career. And then for this one, for my s'more, why teaching, I want to say that, there's a lot of great reasons for teaching. Of course, they pay well, the benefits, it's an easy life going. But however, that's all the good things, but we also work for those things. We're supposed to have a passion, patience, and of course we're supposed to care for the students. And we actually have to remind ourselves that we were once in their shoes, and that we have to really, find those role models and really be those role models for those students. As well, here we talk about the 3 different, I feel like those are the 3 big one for me: to be a guide, to be a mentor, to encourage. To be a guide, I want, teachers should be able to guide the students to the right road and a positive and, path, and, be supportive of what they choose to be. I feel like that is a mentor. A teacher should be mentors to their students, to be able to set examples of good character, of honesty, be trustworthy, have that beautiful relationship so they can see you as a mentor. And my third one will be like encourage the students. The teachers should encourage and care for the students so that they can feel comfortable and they can be themselves in classroom and they can show their true colors. Because having a shy student in the classroom is just, it's bad for you because you don't get to know that kid, and the kid just feels left out. Also, becoming a teacher and how it's to help the students know who they are. I feel like that's very important because that's how my 2 memorable teachers helped me. They made sure to know, who I am and, what I need to do. And I feel like to teach is to help and change the community, and just to, if you have a passion for a subject, show that passion to the students so they can have a better education. And, and show them, that, they can have a good character and fairness and also be a good student, and it's normal that they may have some strengths and weaknesses, but that's all, that's part of life, and that's part of why we're here for them.